Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I have a 2013 Toyota Land Cruiser here, and this gentleman here has done it up right. And the thing I love most about it is he did it in the cheapest fashion. So, you know, in an effort to kind of go against the typical Land Cruiser owner who has an endless bank account, right, and the pockets are deep as heck. You know, we purposely try to be as frugal as possible with this build, and I think it came out very well. So altogether, he is just under probably $2,800 is what he just kind of came up to with all the things that he's done to it. So less than $3,000, he turned a very basic, bare bones Toyota Land Cruiser into a pretty neat looking one, in my opinion. So first off, the most obvious is these wheels. So those are the Toyota Tundra work truck wheels off of the 2007 to 2010 work truck Tundra. So pretty cool, pretty straightforward. They're 18-inch wheels, and the tires are right off of a Ram Rebel. So he bought them off a marketplace just for, I think, 500 bucks is what he said, $400 or $500 for all of them, $450 with the actual spare tire too. So pretty cool, and I think this really fits the look. It's kind of like that Middle Eastern look, right? The suspension that he has, he spent just, I think it's like less than the 150 bucks for the front and rear, the TJM suspension on it, which brought it up, I think 2.5 up front and about 3 inches in the rear altogether for this particular one. So again, it being a Land Cruiser, still is that bulletproof 200 series that we all have known to grown to love over the years. Extremely bulletproof 5.7 liter V8, which is absolutely exceptional. Tepui rooftop tent, again, he paid, I think he said $600 for the entire rooftop tent setup there. He has an ARB rear bumper here. I think it's ARB. So he just spent a few $100 on this used. So again, you know, all together, $2,800 for everything. He did a little decal there, kind of like the homage to the ones that you would find in the Middle East. It kind of that design, that classic look to it. But I think it looks pretty sleek. I mean, realistically, how different is this from my 2021 that I just had and sold, right? It's the same design, same shape, same profile. Obviously, headlights are different. You got the interior is going to be a bit different too, but not by a long shot, you know, not by a lot. So he has a winch. I think it's a 12,000 pound winch. That's what he said, a Warren winch behind that. But yeah, this is the cheapest Land Cruiser build right here, and I like it. I'm a fan. We'll pop in the interior just to show you what it looks like. So here you are. So he's still rocking and sporting that wood trim, similar to what you'd find in a modern, the 2020, 2021. Different color, of course. But all together, holistically, the whole shape and design of everything, even right here, different wood trim, of course, than the newer ones. Everything is pretty dang similar, right? Seats, design, look of them, feel of them, they're pretty dang similar. Same sunroof too that you'd find. So we'll wrap up the video there. I just want to share this with you as, you know, the quote-unquote cheapest Land Cruiser build, which is pretty neat. So I appreciate him letting me poke around it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.